Hey guys, this is Silver Bullet Ballistics, and this is episode 2 of the restoration of a Mosin. Today's video we are going to be stripping this paint down. I'm going to be using Goo Off. It's a paint thinner. It says it's safe for wood. I have gloves for the Goo Off to kind of spread it around and make sure that nothing gets on my skin. We fix this saran wrap and we should be able to start up in here. Whoever painted this missed a huge spot right here on this black. Alright, I'm going to wrap this up and let it sit for probably about a half hour. I come back and check it out. The key is to not let this dry on your stock. Then it's going to be 10 times harder to get off. So I'll see you guys here in a little bit. So a quick update. After doing some investigation, the paint is so thick that the paint thinner is not wanting to work at all. So I resorted to sanding, and as you can see, this brown is not the color of the Mosin. It's brown paint and then black paint and then these tiger stripes. So I'm going to try to sand this up a little bit. So after doing some sanding on here, this is the original color. It goes tan, brown, black, tan, and then back to black stripes. So whoever painted this on here wanted to make sure it never came off. I will check back in with you guys here in a little bit once I feel like I'm making a little bit of a progress on this. Alright guys, so another quick update. I've got this much done. So yeah, that's just what I'm working with right now. I have a Dremel. I can sand this down for some of the smaller parts. See you guys here in a little bit. So just in case you guys are curious, I'm just using a sand block and just taking my time and sanding. The reason why I'm doing this is there is some markings that I want to try and keep. Here's like a box. Back here's a marking. So I want to try and keep this as original as possible. But it's, as you can see, work in progress. Well, on the flip side, This is going to be extremely beautiful. Very light wood. I don't know if I want to stain it yet or not. Right here is one of the original pieces. I might try to match this up. I'm not sure yet. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think I should do with this. I'm still committed on sanding this down. Alright guys, so this is what I have so far. I was able to save, there's a little stamp down here. I was able to save that, but my God, when I tell you that this is a work in progress, this is gonna be a work in progress. I'm going to stop the video for tonight and work on this tomorrow. Hopefully I can get this video up soon. Alright guys, so this is day 2 of sanding this down. I just got home from work, so I'm going to spend about 2 hours on this to see how much I can get done. I did try paint thinning at first, and then I tried paint stripper, and it didn't do anything. It didn't even bubble up. So I'll show you guys what I am working with. So last night I got down to here, just on one side. But I was able to save some marks on this, and that was the whole plan. So I'm not super upset that I have to sand this down, but it's gonna take a while. So let's begin. Here's a good example of what I'm working with. There's black stripes, then a tan base layer, and then there's brown, and then there's tan, and then there's the wood. Places like this and in here, and really close to these divots, I have a Dremel I'm going to use. I'm going to put that on the lowest setting and try to get off what I can. So I'm going to pause this real quick and work at this, and I'll turn this back on and give you guys an update here in a little bit. Alright guys, so quick little update. I'm back towards the handle part. I started to work up in here. I still got a whole nother side to do. Alright guys, I'm going to be stopping for the day. I got all the way towards the buttstock, and I'm working on wrapping it over. Very tedious work. So I will get back with you guys tomorrow on this, and hopefully tomorrow my goal is to get the back part of the buttstock done and around the bottom and the top, and work back here. See you guys here in a little bit. Hey guys, so it's been about a day since I last worked on this. I will show you what I have. And then the other side is almost completely done. I have been sanding this down because with all the different layers of paint on it, it would not work. This is what I tried at first, and it would not even budge. so I just had to resort to sanding it down. I'm using a very fine sandpaper. That way I'm not deforming anything on the stock itself. I was able to save some markings in there, but I'm extremely happy with how this turned out. I'm very excited. I did have a small problem though. When I took off these clips, they were right up here. It's the thing that holds the band covers on. I snapped one. Where'd it go? So I snapped it off of the pin. Kind of sucks, but not a big deal because I can just order a new one. I'm going to Dremel the rest of this smaller stuff down and then give you guys an update. See you here in a few. Alright guys, so I have the stock all done. The inside, I have it stripped down too. There was some brown paint on the inside. And then here's the underbody. And then the other side. And where the butt plate goes, that was also brown or black, but they painted that too. And I also did the top barrel cover. I went ahead and used a piece of steel wool, and I kind of cleaned the brass up a little bit, and the silver, got that all nice and shiny. So this is episode 2 of the Mosin Restoration. It took a little bit longer than what I had planned on. The next few videos are not going to be as long as a gap in between. Thank you for watching Silver Bullet Ballistics. Thank you for being so patient on the time in between the videos. If you like this video, please leave a like. Also, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Thanks for watching.